In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site. Having Google Analytics on your website is crucial for understanding your audience and tracking your site's performance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to leverage this powerful tool to its fullest potential. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find a section labeled Plugins. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to manage all the plugins associated with your WordPress site, and it's an essential part of adding new functionalities like Google Analytics. In the Plugins section, you'll see a button labeled Add New at the top. Click on this button to begin the process of finding and adding new plugins. In the search bar that appears on the right, type in SiteKit by Google. This is the official plugin provided by Google, and it makes the integration of Google Analytics with WordPress straightforward and hassle-free. Once you've typed in SiteKit by Google, press Enter. You should see the plugin appear in the search results. It's important to make sure you're selecting the right plugin, so look for the one that's officially by Google, which should have a lot of active installations and positive ratings. Once you've found it, click on the Install Now button. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. After the plugin is installed, the button will change to say Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. With the SiteKit activated, you'll notice a new option in your WordPress dashboard menu labeled SiteKit. Click on this to start the setup process. You'll need to connect your WordPress site to your Google account to pull the analytics data. The SiteKit setup will guide you through signing into your Google account and granting the necessary permissions. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that you want to use for analytics tracking. Once connected, the SiteKit will automatically set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site. It will also give you access to other Google services like Search Console, AdSense, and PageSpeed Insights directly from your WordPress dashboard. This integration provides you with a comprehensive view of your site's performance without having to leave WordPress. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site using the SiteKit by Google plugin. Now you can start exploring all the data and insights available to help you understand your audience better and make informed decisions to improve your website. Remember, regularly checking your analytics can provide valuable insights into what's working and what might need improvement. Happy analyzing!